Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your graphic design projects with Adobe Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Open your Adobe application of choice, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. Import your graphic design project by dragging the file into the workspace or using the File menu. Review your design for any elements that need adjustment. Select the tools that correspond with your required changes. For color corrections, navigate to the Adjustments panel. Experiment with options like brightness/contrast and hue/saturation. Use the Layers panel to manage different elements of your design. Unlock any locked layers to allow for editing. If text needs modification, select the Text tool to make changes. Adjust font, size, or color as desired using the Character panel. For images or shapes that require resizing, use the Transform tool. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to maintain proportions. To fix alignment issues, use the Align panel. Select multiple layers and choose alignment options for a polished look. If your project involves multiple pages or artboards, review each one for consistency. Use guides and grids to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Make use of the Pen tool for precise shape creations or edits. Zoom in closely to refine details that are often overlooked. Apply any necessary filters for visual enhancements. Consider using the History panel to revert back if something doesn't work. Save your progress frequently to prevent data loss. Once all adjustments are complete, review your design as a whole. Export your project in the desired format using the Export function. Choose the settings that best suit your needs for printing or web use. Finally, conduct a last review before sharing your finished design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.